Let's build this client onboarding automation in Make, click by click. One new row in a Google Sheet will create the client folder and an AI onboarding brief automatically. This row will start the automation. The trigger watches the sheet and reads the client details from row 2. Click Create Scenario. This creates a fresh Make.com canvas. Click the large purple plus. This opens the app and module picker. Click the app search field. The search field is at the top of the picker. Type Google Sheets, then click Google Sheets. Choose the app result, not an individual action yet. Click Watch New Rows. This trigger starts the scenario when a new spreadsheet row appears. The Google Sheets module opens. Now connect Google Sheets and choose the spreadsheet to watch. Click the connection drop-down. Use the Google account that can access your spreadsheet. Select your Google connection. Your connection name may be different from the one shown here. Open search method. We will browse to the spreadsheet by its drive path. Choose Search by Path. This lets you select the drive, spreadsheet, and sheet from menus. Open the drive drop-down. Make needs the drive value selected explicitly. Select My Drive. Choose Shared Drive instead only if the spreadsheet lives there. Click the Spreadsheet selector. This opens the list of spreadsheets in the selected drive. Click the Spreadsheet search field. Search is faster than scrolling through a long drive list. Select your spreadsheet. For this demo, choose Client Onboarding Tracker, Tutorial 03. Open the sheet name dropdown. A spreadsheet can contain multiple tabs, so choose the correct one. Select Sheet 1. Use the tab that contains the rows you want Make to watch. Open Table contains headers. Headers let later modules refer to clear column names. Select Yes. Our first row contains column names, not customer data. Enter A1, L1 for the header range. Adjust the final column letter if your sheet has more or fewer columns. Set limit to 1. For a beginner test, process 1 new row per execution. Click Save. This stores the Google Sheets module configuration. Click the scenario Save icon. The disk icon saves the complete Make scenario. Click Run once. This tests the trigger and loads one real row from Google Sheets. Success! The row was loaded. The output panel shows every header and value from row 2. The trigger works. Click the plus after Google Sheets. This adds the next action after the spreadsheet trigger. Click the app search field. Search instead of scrolling through the complete app list. Type Google Drive, then click Google Drive. Choose the Google Drive app result at the top. Click Create a folder. Each new client will receive a dedicated onboarding folder. Click New Folder Location. Choose where the client folders should be created. Select the folder. The slash represents the root of My Drive. Click New Folder's name. We will combine normal text with the client name from Google Sheets. The previous module's outputs appear. Run Google Sheets once first, so Make displays real fields and sample values here. Click Client Name AA. Type Onboarding first, then select this output. Do not paste a variable token. Close the mapping panel. The green client name pill is now part of the folder name. Open New Drive Location. Select the drive explicitly, even when My Drive already appears in the field. Quit My Drive. This confirms the required destination value before saving. Click Save. The module will create onboarding followed by each client's name. Click the scenario Save icon. Save the complete 2-module workflow before testing it. Click Run once. For this test, return the sample row again using Choose Where to start X All. Both modules completed successfully. Click the one above Google Drive to inspect the created folder. Success! The client folder was created. The output confirms the name Onboarding, Jordan Lee, and provides the new Drive folder link. And that's the whole build. Try it with your own sheet and subscribe for the next automation.